I got this story about John Rich, Mr. Shut Up About Politics.
Mr. Shut Up About Politics, John Rich himself.
This is from Stereo Gum. Okay, here he goes. He's an outspoken Republican, and he released a song called Raisin McCain during the 2008 presidential election. And now he's the guy who posts pictures of cut up Nike socks on Twitter. He's a 49ers. Colin Kaepernick pissed him off, so he cut his Nikes up and posted them online, which is another thing.
That's a rough. I mean, he's gonna have a heart attack soon. I mean, that's the one thing that's good is that a guy that eats that much salt and has that much stress, like his heart is gonna be so fucking hard.
Rich spent last night on a splenetic Twitter rant about Kaepernick and Nike. The best part was showing pictures of his Soundman's cut up Nike socks, also claiming that said Soundman will also burn his Nike stuff when he gets back to Nashville. He didn't even burn his own shit.
No, he made his sound guy do it.
Hey, my sound guy.
No, don't wear those Nikes out here.
My sound guy is so pissed off at Colin Kaepernick that I'm going to have him cut his stuff up. Like, he has to come back and say his sound guy said it. Okay, well.
Well, Red and Black Rules did have a good point. Is Shut Up About Politics sounds like a pro-censorship, really. It does kind of sound like you can't talk. No, you're not allowed to talk about that stuff no more. You can't talk about your gender expression anymore. Nope.
He's just saying what your Nana's saying. You know what I mean? Like, that's
this is every dumbo eventually says at the cookout. When I was coming up, we never talked about politics or religion. And it's like, well, you're using your politics and religion to fuck with my life all the time.
I know. You're probably talking about it right now.
Right. You are conspiring against me and everything in the way that I want to live, you know?
Yeah. That is wild to me.